here's a close-up shot of the color that I'm using on that antique dresser. It's by Valspar Paint. It's called Snowcap White. And I've applied my first coat on the front of the dresser. It's coming along very nicely. And I make my own chalk paint. I mix it in a little cup like this. It's a little recipe I make. It's a little of this, a little of that. And it helps keep my costs down to my customers when I make my own chalk paint. And I apply it with a round brush. And get it right in there into those details. You can see this color is really pretty. And you can hear my heater going on in the background. It is New England here. And I've got a couple friends. That's Q-Tip and that's Biscuit.